Greetings, this is Daniel, the Green Cabbie, and today we're going to be doing a high protein ground chicken pizza crust. And we're going to see how the ground chicken stacks up, whether the flavor tastes any better, whether the consistency's any better, or if it takes sauce and cheese any better. Most meat products, you're only going to be able to get them in 1 pound increments. This one's going to be a little bit bigger on the proportions. So first we're going to go ahead and put our 1 pound ground beef in the bowl. All right, first we're going to get our eggs inside. Eggs for our 1 pound chicken. Then we're going to put 1 cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. And we're going to mix that. So we're going to go ahead and take our mixture. We're going to go ahead and put it on our parchment paper. We're going to go ahead and start flattening it out so that we can make a nice round crust to your desired thickness. All right, we've got it flattened out the way we want, about a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to go ahead and put it on our cookie sheet and cook it for 10 minutes on 475 in the oven. Hope you're ready for tasty deliciousness. All right, now on this one, we are going to have to drain some of the moisture. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flip it and put it on another piece of parchment paper so we can cook the other side for another 10 minutes. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go like this. We put a piece of parchment paper over the top. Put that in there like that. You can go ahead and flip it over. Do a little bit of a preliminary dry on this one here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and slide this one back into the pan. We're going to cook it on this side for 10 minutes to go ahead and get a little bit crispness and get some of that moisture out. So we got here cooked on the second time. We're going to go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of sauce. Like I said before, if you like light sauce, then you can do a 1/4 cup for the whole thing if you wanted. Bigger pizza, bigger spoon. Put about 1 cup of cheese here on the top. All right, so we got our cheese on there. I'm gonna be naughty and I'm gonna throw a couple of onions on top there. Probably say that onions are my favorite thing on a pizza. Throw it in the oven to get that cheese melted. All right, let's get this bad boy out. 5 minutes to get it nice and melty. All right, let's go ahead and slice it up. pizza is done. Look at the back here, it's looking pretty good. Now that is pretty tasty. Doesn't have any aftertaste to it. Very mild, so it allows the pizza toppings to do the work. Has a nice chewy consistency, almost like that of actual pizza dough. You know, kind of like it's a little bit flaky. Good texture to it. Not overwhelming, super hearty. Yeah, this one here is definitely a winner. I'm gonna put this one in the address book, in the recipe book. But that one is really good. The crust also on the outside that doesn't have anything on it. A little bit firm, a little bit chewy. I really like that one. That one is really nice. I definitely give that one a thumbs up. Super easy to make, good flavor, and it's filling, nice and warm going down. I would definitely eat that one